everyone, I am Ahan Jain from class 6B here before you to present a Hindi poem on the topic Sunday. संडे होता है छुट्टी का दिन, हफ्ता अधूरा इसके बिन। पापा और बच्चों को मिलती हैं छुट्टियाँ, लेकिन माँ को नहीं मिलती साफ सफाई से छुट्टियाँ। माँ बनाती स्वादिष्ट खाना, फिर पापा कहते रेस्टोरेंट यही है तो बाहर से क्या लाना। किताबों को तो मैं हाथ ही ना लगाता, संडे है तो मौज मनाता। संडे होता है मस्ती का दिन, हफ्ता अधूरा इसके बिन। थैंक यू।
Greetings everyone, I am Aryan Hussain from class 12B and I am going to recite a small poem on the new way of life that we are living right now. A sense of panic over sanity, a wave of fear among humanity, a change in the lives of you and me. Everything turned different than it used to be. It came slow until all at once. It was difficult for all of us. A new life we had to choose, a new normal to get used to. Then came a whole new world into our lives, a little different than we had in our minds. It kept us distant but brought us close. It kept us hidden and the doors closed. The doors held a key inside to bring us closer to our thoughtful minds. It awoke some places deep inside we had all somehow decided to hide. It is going on and it will for a while. I hope leading to a brighter side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Charul Savai from 12th D Humanities. In today's era, every individual is indulged in the hustle and bustle of life to be more productive, to be more innovative than yesterday. And in the rat race, we forget the essence of peace, the importance of old tales, our social environment, and even access of freedom handicapped us. And the day begins with watching this virus, that is social media. Addiction is flushing. Therefore, I have prepared a small poem, and this was just a glimpse of my poem. The title of my poem is Finding Yourself. Lost in searching a penny, lost in exploring the society, finding the shadow of mine, the dignity of life collapsed. The rat race has thrown the achiever. Every penny aspires to be the best, not the first, encircles the muddy truth. The philosophy of enlightenment is digged under the graveyard. The plethora of old tales seems extinct. The voyage to serenity seems mirage. Lost in searching a penny, lost in exploring the society, revamping the soul of mine, griddled in the nest of loneliness, arrested in the treasure of freedom, caught in the web of addiction. Lost in searching a penny, lost in exploring the society. Thank you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, कभी कभी कुछ शब्द जादू कर जाते हैं, मतलब से हटकर कुछ अलग कह जाते हैं। तो आज चलिए मैं उस हर पिंजरबंद स्त्री के आवाज़ को अपने सुनहरे शब्दों में पेश करती हूँ, उस बेजुबां को एक जुबां देती हूँ। आखिर क्यों मेरी चुप्पी को मेरी आदत बना दिया जाता है? आखिर क्यों मेरी चुप्पी को मेरी आदत बना दिया जाता है? कोई इस चुप्पी का राज जानने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं करता? आखिर हर प्रकार के शोषण से एक स्त्री को ही क्यों गुजरना पड़ता है? आखिर हर प्रकार के शोषण से एक स्त्री को ही क्यों गुजरना पड़ता है? कोई अपना नजरिया बदलने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं करता? आखिर हर बार प्रताड़ित कर मुझे ही चरित्रहीन क्यों ठहरा दिया जाता है? कोई बिना अग्नि परीक्षा लिए मेरी बात समझने की कोशिश क्यों नहीं करता? आखिर सभी को सुरक्षा महत्व समाज प्रदान करता है, कोई मेरा महत्व मेरी सुरक्षा के लिए कदम क्यों नहीं उठाता? मैं बोल नहीं सकती पर मैं अब चुप नहीं रहूंगी। मैं बोल नहीं सकती पर मैं अब चुप नहीं रहूंगी। बहुत सहेलियां अब और नहीं सहूंगी। मैं कलंक शब्द को गर्व में बदलूंगी। मैं कलंक शब्द को गर्व में बदलूंगी। धन्यवाद।
The topic of my poem is uncertainty. Oh, are you done? Not yet. Why? Maybe I'm nothing to you and worthless. Maybe I'm bad for asking to follow my dreams, but that is okay. Maybe I'm good sometimes because you see me doing things that you want me to do, but that's okay. Maybe I can't endure now. Maybe I can't bear. Maybe I'm giving up now. But again, is it okay for you? Because it certainly is okay for me. Oh, are you done? Not yet. Why? Maybe now I accept things as they are. The once enlightened thinker I perhaps is that inside. When I saw the world with my own eyes, you didn't like. Why do you want me to see them from yours? But that's okay. It's enough for me now, is it for you? It's been a pleasure seeing and feeling things that I did, but I no longer desire to see or feel. But again, would you allow me to? I'm at the sail, you are the master. That is some need though. It's funny to know that we let people influence us. Even funnier how we let them. You talk about things, I listen. When I do, you don't. But that's okay. Everything is going as you aspire them to. But some things are gonna turn about. And you won't like that. Neither would I. But that's okay. Some people live, some don't. Some people endure, some don't. It's life. And that is okay. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। मैं परिणीति बुरा आज आपके समक्ष कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है वक्त ज़रा बदल रहा है। वक्त ज़रा बदल रहा है लोगों का रुख। कठिन परिश्रम कर रहा है जनमानस पाने को सुख। भ्रष्टाचार जो कर रहा था समझ रहा था गरीबों को मुख। अब सरकार की उठी आवाज़ है छिप गया उन पापियों का सुख। इससे वह तिलमिला उठा है मचा रहा है कहर। विश्व भर में सत्य अड़े चली यही लहर। सरकार को हमारा साथ चाहिए करने को यह सपना सच। मिले सबको हक एक सा हो देश भी अपना स्वच्छ। वक्त ज़रा बदल रहा है विश्व का रुख। अब सरकार कुछ कर रही है गरीबों को दिलाने को सुख। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
नमस्कार, मैं शांभवी मुखर्जी कक्षा 8वीं अ से एक स्वरचित कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है मानवता। मानवों में मानवता नहीं मिलती, शुरुआत की तुलना से हो गई है काफ़ी कमी। दुर्जनों से भरी यह प्यारी दुनिया छिप गई है काले बादलों के बीच। मदद की आशा से कोई करता नहीं मदद, हर मदद के पीछे छिपा होता है कोई कपट। दोस्तों के वेश में दुश्मनों से भरी यह दुनिया, न जाने किस चीज़ की आशा करते हैं सभी। मदद मांगो तो हुकूमत साथ पाओ, दोस्ती चाहो तो दुश्मनी की बरसात आए। मानवता नाम की कोई चीज़ ना मिल पाए। जानवरों से सीखो पेड़ों को देखो, मानव की मदद हेतु कहते हैं जो चाहिए ले लो। फिर पढ़ा लिखा मानव क्यों बनता जा रहा है दानव। कुछ पाने की आशा से न दो कुछ भी, इस संसार से मानवता के अस्तित्व को बचाओ अब सभी। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I'm Arnash Sheshrimal and I'll be reciting a self-composed poem titled The Night Gets Over. It's about the good memories in our life which makes the low times even easier to deal with. It gets me baffled the night. It becomes a memory forever. In that moment, it's just selfless. You are selfless. You just don't care, but enjoy life. But there's a twinkle in your sparkle. It's your duties, problems, and mistakes. It's all real now. You forget everything, but celebrate. Celebrate your life. And ambition is important. It's what gets you to crave these moments even more. And I don't need one for a long time now. I'm totally focused on my goal of living it. But whatever you say, it was a blast. Connections, new relationships, and crossing eyes. And that moment remains with you till eternity. I slept, but still had something at the back of my mind that we only keep the good things in our bag. and leave the bad memories, making our journey worth till we reach the oasis. Don't forget, love life, and not only on nights, but when the night gets over. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं एलिना और मेरे द्वारा लिखी गई ये कविता नारी शक्ति को समर्पित है। व्याख्यान तेरी संभव तू स्वयं जीवन दायिनी, हर शक्ति तुझसे हारी है, प्रणाम तुझे हे नारी। कदमों में तेरे स्वर्ग है, आंचल में है संसार, अथाह तेरी शक्ति है पृथ्वी का आधार। दुर्गा स्वरूपा काली तू ही, प्रचंड तेरा है अवतार। कहीं शीतल सुधा है तू, अनंत तेरे प्रेम का विस्तार। मैत्रेयी सी ब्रह्मवादिनी तू, वसुंधरा वीणा धारिणी तू। बलिदान तू है झांसी का, मीरा का तू त्याग है। महादेवी की कलम क्रांति, कल्पना की उड़ान है। संघर्षशील तू, पराकाष्ठा है त्याग की। संघर्षशील तू, पराकाष्ठा है त्याग की। सभी रूपों में तू सरल, सुकृत और निश्चल सी। व्याख्यान तेरी संभव तू स्वयं जीवन दायिनी, हर शक्ति तुझसे हारी है, प्रणाम तुझे हे नारी। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। मातृशक्ति को मेरा प्रणाम। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Suhani Agrawal from class 8B here to recite my poem Deeds Are More. I dedicate this poem to all our hardworking teachers. Words are less, deeds are more. I don't know how to thank them, but they have done something which no one had done before. 2020 could have been a loss, but they prevented it, and we should all give them a big round of applause. They built a bridge along the broken path. It's not that they don't have any issues, but they were busy worrying that we don't have any issues. They managed their own house, but never forget to clear our doubts. Our teachers always lead us to the stairs of success, but this time they built those stairs for us. They secured our future. Words are less, deeds are more. I don't know how to thank them, but they have done something which no one had done before. Thank you.
Dreamers may dream the dream that make them fly higher and higher like a beautiful butterfly, reaching through the limits to be limitless, crossing all the boundaries to be undefined. Living your fantasy world and going off the edge is a dream of every dreamer to be one of the kind, always bringing out the best in you and let it all shine bright. Deeper than the seas, higher than the mountains, as soon as a lovely sweet breeze you fly, only terrorized by the ghost of our pasts, for being the superheroes of future foreseen. All I want for you is to fly like that beautiful butterfly, achieve all your goals and complete all your dreams. Thank you.
This is Jatinder Chandra Bose, national karate player, here before you to show some karate moves and techniques. To do karate, you need to wear these two gloves and this mouth guard. There are three basic moves. The first basic move is your punch. Japanese name of this punch is Zuki. Now see how to do it. Your punch should be straight and powerful. The second basic move is kick. The kick should be powerful, and the name of this kick is Maigiri. Now see how to do it. Third and the most important technique is your defend. How you have to defend the kick. The name of this defend is downward block. Now see how to do it. Now see how I do all these steps. Look. Karate, as you all know, it's not just about karate, it's all about sports, arts and workouts you do in your daily life. As you all know, how much importance it has in all of us life.
Hello everyone. We, the students of physical education, will give you a glimpse of few exercises. And to perform these exercises, one of the most important element is strength. So strength is the quality of being physically fit and the ability of the muscles to overcome resistance. And to improve these exercises, we have two types of exercises. The first is isometric exercise and the second is isotonic exercises.
Isometric exercises. An isometric exercise is a form of exercise involving the static contraction of a muscle without any visible movement in the angle of the joint. First, frog stand. The frog stand is a gymnastic and yoga position designed to develop strength with particular focus on balance skills. This is a common exercise which on the path to learning more complex gymnastics, movements or positions and is one of the first exercise recommended by plank movement. Second, L sit. The L sit up exercise is really challenging as we need strength throughout our body, which is from head to toe, but we also need a fair amount of flexibility and control to perform it well. Third, wall sit. A wall sit is an exercise done to strengthen the quadriceps muscles. This exercise is great for sculpting the thighs, hips, calves, and lower abs. It primarily builds isometric strength and endurance in glutes, calves, quadriceps, etc. Fourth, forearm plank. It is a core body exercise that strengthens all of the muscles of the core, gives you a stronger low back, and teaches your body stabilization. Often overlooked, the transversus abdominis is the real muscle that gives you a flat belly. Fifth, calf raise. Calf raise is one of the most easy exercise. It isolates calves. With this type of movement, build a foundation of strength, especially if one is new to strength training. Sixth, static lunge. Static lunge is a great place to start understanding the proper form of lunge. It is also called stationary lunges that targets glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. It is foundation for all lunge variations. Isotonic exercises. It involves putting a constant amount of weight or tension on your muscles while moving your joints through a full range of motion. First, diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups is one of the most difficult variation of the classic push-up with hands coming together to make a diamond shape. This exercise helps build chest and abdominal muscles in addition to arms. Second, Groniers. Groniers is a gym workout exercise that targets glutes and hip flexors and also involves hamstrings. It is a dynamic exercise that strengthens hips and core while increasing hip mobility and joint flexibility. Third, full squat. Full squat is a strength exercise in which hips form a standing position and the stands back up. During this, the hip and knee joints flex while the ankle joint doriflex. Push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles and shoulders. When done with proper form, push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. Hope everyone enjoyed watching our hard work and got a better understanding of strength and methods to improve it. Thank you everyone for watching.